Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up call forwarding in Galaxy A06 device. So by the way guys, we are going to use a third-party application for this. So first of all, just go to Play Store and here search for call forwarding. By the way, this one is the application called Divert and Forwarding. Just install this application guys and open it. So if you want to enable the call forwarding, just click to enable, and here we have these options: divert call when busy, divert call when mobile is switched off, divert call when not of responding, divert call for all the above condition, and divert call always. So you have to enter the number here to which you want to divert or forward the call. So just enter the number, and guys you can also select from a contact here. So that's how guys we can enable the call forwarding in Galaxy A06 device. That's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in the next video. Take care.